Number 1, select all the expressions that represent the area of the large outer rectangle, meaning the outside piece here. So the first thing that we can realize is that the bottom here is just going to be 2 plus 4. So we pretty much have a rectangle that's 5 by 6. So our area of that large outer rectangle is just length times width, so 5 times 6, which equals 30. So 5 times 6 looks like we have that as an option here, so we know F is going to represent the area of the rectangle. Now let's look at all of the representations of 30 here. So in this case here, we also have two separate rectangles here, where if we found the area of each of these rectangles and added them together, we would also get our area of the total. So we have 5 times 2, which is 10. And then we do 5 times 4, which is 20. And when we add those two together, we end up getting 30. So we have a 5 times 2 plus a 5 times 4 here as well. Let's see what else we got here. We have 5 plus 2 plus 4, so that would be just adding some side lengths. So we know it's not going to be that. 5 times 2 times 4, if we do 5 times 2, we're going to get 10. And 10 times 4 is 40, and we know that's not the area of the rectangle. 5 times 2 plus 4 is 10 plus 4, which is 14, also not 30 here. But now if we see this one here, remember we have our distributive property here. So if we have distributive property or using PEMDAS here. So in PEMDAS we can say anything in the parentheses here is done first, then the multiplication happens second. So if it's done first, we have 2 plus 4, which is 6, and 5 times 6, which is 30, which is good. Also, if we look at the distributive property, we are distributing this 5. We're launching the red angry bird into the green pigs over here, and we go 5 times 2, which is 10, and 5 times 4, which is 20. Add those together, and we end up getting 30. So our answers for this could be A, C, or F.